Hey folks, this is Aunt Sandy, and I'm here to announce my store is opening. We have merchandise that people have asked for, and we have tumbler, we got a coffee mug, we got this wonderful t-shirt that has a logo on the side here, that has the big picture of the rooster right here. Got the apron with pockets. My personal favorite, this tote bag. It has my logo on it and it says Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. If you want any of these items and more, visit my link in the description. Thank you, and as always, God bless. My personal favorite, this tote bag, and it's made real good. When you got it loaded down with groceries, it ain't gonna pop. Start that over. It's got my chicken on it. Go and look and look at the description, and go to the.
That needs to go at the end.
Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.